Hey everybody, welcome to a video on tips and tricks for User Experience Studio. Now we've got most of the items documented, but now obviously we want to show you some videos. Well, let's go ahead and have a look. I'm going to show you today how to add an additional database to your app once you've created it using our AI and GenBots in the app kit. And well, let's kick off and go and have a look and see what that's all about. Let's jump into the demo straight away. So I'm going to create an app called Fleet Management and type in the name and then the description. It's used as a prompt, and I'm going to choose an icon and a color for my app. Use the app kit and make sure I've got the AI, both AI buttons active to generate the collections for me as well as the database. And here my app has been created within 1 minute. You can see I can see the detail view. I can go and edit, create, and do all of those wonderful things that you'd expect from an app. Now I want to create another database, maybe something called fuel consumption. So let's go back into our workspace and create the collection called fuel consumption and get on with creating that database with the views. So I'll type in fuel consumption and then I'll type in the label fuel consumption and the plural label fuel consumption. I'm going to choose the Usio database, and because Usio comes with a database, of course. You can use your own database, you can wire it up and do that too. So let's go ahead with creating the database called fuel consumption, the collection. I'm using AI to suggest the fields for me. Wow, great fields. I would never have thought of those fields. I need those fields. I can delete them or change them, but I'm going to keep them because I think they're pretty good. Now I'm going to go to manage data, and I'm going to generate sample data for my views for my collection, so that I've got something to see when I build my views, not just blank screens. So here we go. I've created the sample data. I'm saving it. Then I'm going to head over to the views menu in my workspace here and go and generate a list view using our GenBots. I select the fuel consumption collection. I select the fields I want to view in that list view, and there you go. It's done. Now, if I do a refresh on my app, you can see there it is. Fuel consumption appears automatically in my menu. Well, I've got some data I'm going to just delete here, created accidentally, and off it goes. And now I need to create the detail view. So when I click on my list view record, I can go and see the detail as well as a create record. So I go back to my views. I go and generate the detail view using our GenBots from the app kit. Select my fuel consumption collection, select the fields I want, and then off we go. Go and create it. Don't worry about the name. It'll make that view automatically. And there you go. There's the detail view done. Now let's go ahead and create the create new view so I can create new data in my app on that collection straight away. Select the fields I want, and there we go. Run the generator, and I'm done. I head back over to my app, and I can then go and do a refresh, and then I can see that I can create records. I can see the detail views, all easy, all done. Hope you enjoyed that, and let's see what we have for you next time. Enjoy and see you later.